And obviously it's not just the show, it's everything. You're a third generation venture capitalist. You've been sniffing out entrepreneurs and good ideas for most of your career. What is it that you think now is the essence of when you find it, or who it is, or what it is?
Yeah, I do sniff them out in one way. I try to be a magnet for entrepreneurs wherever they may be, whether they're in Saudi or Sri Lanka or Tokyo, wherever. And we want any entrepreneur out there who wants to start a business, we want them to start by thinking Draper first. What do I look for in an entrepreneur? It tends to be that I look for something that is a new surprise for me, because I mostly do the very earliest stages. And so I'm looking for something that surprises me. And then what happens is I'll fund the first one, and then we'll see 30 or 40 Me Too's. And sometimes it's one of those that ends up being the big winner. When we meet the entrepreneur, I always ask questions like, why are you doing this? Because most people will be put on their heels by that, and they'll be saying, well, because George thought I should, or, I want to make money, or I want to make you money. But the great entrepreneurs, when they hear that question, they lean forward in their seat and they say, because I worked with this company before and they didn't get it and they didn't understand, and now I'm going to show the entire world how awesome this can be. And then the absolute best ones are the ones who say, I want to delight my customer. So at the end of all that, they say, I want to figure out how to delight my customer.
So you're looking for something messianic. You're looking for that sort of almost swivel-eyed determination.
Absolutely, and that's why we had a guru on the show. We thought, well, he has a messiah quality. But yes, I think the best entrepreneurs are going to do it no matter what, and they're going to suffer the consequences, which often are horrible, and sometimes reap the rewards, which often are so extraordinary that they sort of change lives in so many ways, and generally for the better, but sometimes it's really very awkward.